Hindi film actor Saif Ali Khan has been stabbed 6 times. Neck and spine injuries have been confirmed. He was attacked in what appears to be a burglary attempt at the house, inside the residence. And now, information coming in that the intruder was found inside the children's bedroom, where Taimur and Jay bedroom is where Saif Ali Khan encountered this unfriendly intruder. That is where a confrontation happened. We are told, according to our information, the child's nanny also had woken up. They tried to pacify this individual who had managed to make an entry. Remember, inside the children's bedroom. This is the latest information coming to us right now, that this confrontation that has happened and the kind of injuries reported on Saif is because the intruder was in the children's bedroom, and likely, of course, as a father, he did his best to save his family, and especially the two little boys. Mustafa Sheikh is on the ground right outside the house. Let's dip into what he's saying.
सैफ अली खान की मेड हो या फिर वो शख्स को अगर किसी ने भागते हुए देखा होगा तो वो चीज, ये सारी चीजें हैं जो कंपाउंड वॉल की हम बात कर रहे थे। आपको इस वक्त उस पुलिस टीम उस वीडियो बना रही है कंपाउंड वॉल का। आप देखिए कि किस तरह का कंपाउंड वॉल यहाँ पर है, यानी कि एक बिल्डिंग से दूसरी बिल्डिंग। जी बिल्कुल, सैफ अली खान इस बिल्डिंग में टॉप फ्लोर पर पेंट हाउस उनका है, 7 माले पे, ऐसा बात सामने आ रही है। टॉप फ्लोर पे उनका जो घर है वो आप कह सकते हैं वहां पर सैफ अली खान का इस बिल्डिंग में है। स्टैंड अलोन ये बिल्डिंग है, इसकी कंपाउंड वॉल इसको हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। पुलिस कर्मी जो है यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, वो असेस कर रहे हैं यही चीज कि वो शख्स जो है वो कहाँ से आया होगा। उसके साथ साथ अगर आप देख पाएंगे तो राइट हैंड साइड पे सीसीटीवी कैमरा भी दिख रहा है। जिस गेट से हम लोग दिख रहे हैं वहां पर सीसीटीवी कैमरा है, वो चालू है या नहीं, ये एक सवाल रहेगा। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं आप कह सकते हैं कि जो बालकनीज हैं वो काफी ओपन बालकनीज इस बिल्डिंग की हैं, लेकिन इसके कहीं सिक्योरिटी जो है वो मैनेज की गई होगी, ये सामने चीज आती है। तो पहली बात तो कंपाउंड वॉल जो हमको दिख रही है एक दो बिल्डिंग के बीच की, काफी छोटी है। इस तरह का एक बात सामने आ रही है।
Bringing us the ground report. That's the residence. It's a building clearly, and on one of the top floors, where Saif Ali Khan, Kareena Kapoor Khan, and their two children, and of course their entourage of their, whether it's staff, house help, other security, all of them reside. So then, what exactly happened? Who possibly made an entry with a clear attempt, as it appears now, to target the children? To go after Taimur and Jay, because remember, that's when we are told that is where the confrontation has happened, that Saif Ali Khan has been repeatedly stabbed when he tried to push away the intruder. Mustafa Sheikh
अंदर
with
का है या
details.
फिर घर में अक्सर आता जाता है, उसी शख्स की वजह से आप कह सकते हैं कि फोर्स्ड एंट्री जिसे कहते हैं, यानी कि कुछ तोड़कर अंदर घुसना, वो नहीं हुआ है। यानी कि वो शख्स जो है वो जान पहचान का था, इनसाइडर था, इसलिए क्या वो घर तक पहुंच पाया आसानी से, और उसके बाद की जो घटना हुई है वो तो साफ है। लेकिन वही चीज रहेगी तो फिर वो शख्स कौन है? अगर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ये कह रहे हैं कि वो शख्स कोई भी अनजान व्यक्ति उस समय पर रात को अंदर नहीं घुसा है, तो फिर ये चीज को और आप कह सकते हैं कि पुलिस को जांच करनी पड़ेगी कि कौन है वो शख्स जो जानता था और उसने ये हमला किया और क्यों किया है, किसके साथ उसकी लड़ाई थी, उसकी क्या इंटेंशन थी। फिर से एक बार बिल्डिंग जो है वो दिखा देते हैं आपको पुलिस।
So that is what the senior officials, likely of course, are on the ground right now. And what Mustafa is telling us is very important. Remember that this is an apartment at a height, possibly a safe, secure one, where you cannot just enter into the residence. Now, according to information coming in, was there a certain duct through which the man managed to make an entry and then go into the children's bedroom? And two, that was this if not a forced entry, was someone else involved in the entry of this intruder? Because then that raises the question of who possibly allowed an entry of an individual that wanted to harm the family, especially the children. And just imagine that at 2 a.m., where Saif Ali Khan wakes up to some noise, where a house help is also confronting someone, and that man is in the children's bedroom. That's when the scuffle happens and Saif Ali Khan stabbed repeatedly. And when you're hit in the neck and the spine, that clearly means the intruder wanted much more and target much more with regard to who he was attacking. Vidya, meanwhile, is at the hospital at Leelavati. Vidya, I understand there must be full-on security barriers there right now. What are the details? What time was Saif Ali Khan brought to the hospital? And what are you hearing from the top administration management of the hospital there?
Well, soon after the incident, since he was bleeding heavily, the family rushed him to Leelavati. In fact, what is being said is that he suffered 6 injuries, like some on the neck, some on the shoulders. At the moment, there are ways to make sure that this entire wound that he has suffered, that gets healed. And remember, he's an actor who certainly wouldn't want a gash showing on his face or on his neck. It would be of prime importance. So that's one of the reasons why they'll have to make sure that the wounds are healed at the earliest, with with it leaving no mark, so that it doesn't. Of course, the family is traumatized. There is the trauma will certainly take time to heal, but they are hoping that the wounds that he has suffered, those are healed at the earliest.
Very concerning. Vidya, stay on with me. And do you have information about who all are presently by his side at the hospital? I am sure that Kareera would be there. Any other information coming in on that front?
Well, the family members certainly are there, because remember, Saif, when he had suffered the incident, he was immediately rushed to the hospital. He was heavily bleeding. There was blood all over his, shoulder. It is being said that, immediately he was taken into emergency the moment he came. In the middle of the night, this entire incident had happened. So when they came here, he was taken into emergency. The doctors started treating. And remember, he is someone who has a lot of fan followings, and he certainly has a huge team also, who are all praying right now that he recovers at the earliest. But certainly his family is by his side to ensure that whatever needs to be taken care of at this emergent time, that's done.
Stay on with me. And we'll try and only put out the details that we've been able to confirm, whether from the actor's family side or the hospital. We do not intend to put out conjectures. It's a sensitive development. Mustafa Sheikh is at the residence. This is Fortune Heights, I believe, Mustafa, the residence of Saif Ali Khan. Just show us around, because for an intruder to make an entry, I'm sure it's a secure, safe zone. This is where the paparazzi fans are always there. What are you picking up about the current status? Police must be there as well? Mustafa, if you can hear me. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, Mustafa. Mustafa, if you can hear me. What do you see around you at the residence? All right. He's sending us a ground report and we'll play that out. So this is the entry area. This is where you will see visuals daily coming in from their residence. And I must say that as a star couple, they are usually very amicable, friendly. There are paparazzi or people from the media fraternity who are there all the time. There are fans who wave to them. So the family is constantly being clicked. And who then manages to make an entry into the house at a time where the situation clearly has turned scary. According to information coming in right now to us, we are putting out what the status that we know happened at 2 a.m. was in the children's bedroom. There was an intruder, did not seem friendly. A confrontation happened. The house help also tried to pacify the intruder. Saif Ali Khan came in, and then a scuffle led to stabbing the actor multiple times till the intruder reportedly managed to flee. But amid all of this, and I bring in Vidya here, Vidya, what are the security personnel deployed at the building? Are they saying someone must have seen somebody come in and out, unless it's a friendly entry, someone was a regular at the house? Any details that the cops are able to share with you right now?
Well, the cops are actually trying to ensure that, the statements of each and every person who is there at the moment was recorded, and which would be crucial for further investigation. But certainly what they are saying as of now is that this was an intruder who intended to steal something. I mean, he did not have, it's more of a thief kind of a person who had entered. And that's precisely the reason why, as of now, they believe that no one from inside was involved. and if there was a person involved, then the maid would not have been really fighting the person out. Certainly, however, much more clarity will come only when statements of each of the person present in the house is recorded. Of course, Saif is in the hospital. He is not in a condition where his statement can be recorded immediately. They are trying to ensure that, when as soon as he is capable, in the sense that, his treatment is done and he is resting in a room where he is able to give a statement, at that time Mumbai Police will record his statement to ensure that they can investigate and carry this forward to make sure that the person who intruded into the house is booked. As of now, of course, the CCTV cameras and the peripheral investigations are crucial, wherein they are trying to make sure that find out as to how that person must have entered, whether there was any, basically it revolves around the site inspection, wherein circumstantially they are seeing as to how the person really went in, what really happened. They are trying to build up as to what would have happened earlier, a few hours ago at 2 in the morning. So all that is being done right now, but certainly investigation would proceed only further if statements of people like Saif is recorded and taken forward.